The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern New London County in southern Connecticut until 2:15 p.m. At 1:45 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Mystic and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Pawcatuck and North Stonington. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.